YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Brandman17 coming at y'all with a video today. Gonna be telling y'all a little bit why I got the V8 Dodge Charger. Come on, bro. Come on. Lock in, dog. People be out here on the road just like, oh, they just be playing around, bro. I don't get it. But nah, why I got the V8 Dodge Charger, bro? Really, man, like growing up, I ain't gonna say I was like the biggest fan of NASCAR. But I mean, I knew a lot more drivers than like the average person. I was tapped into NASCAR from a very young age, bro. And if you know anything about NASCAR, you know that the cars that they drive, they're V8s. And I mean, being a fan of drivers like Jimmy Gordon, Jimmy Johnson, it was this one song in particular. It's really like a throwback song. I've been looking for the song for the longest and I ain't been able to find the song. But in the song, it's a line where homeboy, he's like, V8 got me rolling like I'm Jimmy Johnson. Pull up on them 32s. Yo, one my Magic Johnson. Like that line, bro. That line done stuck with me for the longest, bro. Definitely done stuck with me for over a decade. And like, whenever I just be thinking V8, I just be thinking V8 got me rolling like I'm Jimmy Johnson. So I be in the Dodge Charger RT, rolling like I'm Jimmy Johnson. I don't got 32s on here, but hey, you know the rest. But nah, the V8, it do be having you feeling like you Jimmy Johnson. It do be having you feeling like you a NASCAR driver. Nah, I'm playing. It just depends on how you drive, bro. Some people, they drive crazy. I'm like a normal driver. I just drive because I mean, I like driving, bro. This shit fun. But also, it's like, when you got a whip like this right here, bro. When you got a whip like this right here, bro. I mean, you just be riding, bro, and it really don't be much to it. It got the power. It's aggressive. It look good. People on the road, they know what's up when you get behind them. They'll get out the way. If they got any type of sense, bro, they will get up out the way. But I will say one thing about driving a Dodge Charger, bro. People, I mean, the Charger, a lot of people wish they were driving Chargers, but they not driving Chargers. They wish they were driving a Charger, but they driving something like a Honda Civic. I mean, not to like call out Honda Civic drivers or anything like that. It's really just anybody driving any other particular car, bro. I don't notice that. I mean, I haven't even had this car for a month yet. And I don't notice that like people just they ride on you different, bro. Like, when I was in my Camry, I really never had too many issues with like people being all up on me, stuff like that. If I did, it really wasn't like, it wasn't that frequent. I feel like in the RT, it's a little bit more frequent. Like as y'all seen at the beginning of the video, homeboy's tripping. Like, come on, bro, that's a critical mistake you making while you driving. You cannot be doing that. You can't be doing that, bro. You can't. But literally right before that, y'all just seen me just film that video at the gas station. I'm filming gas, bro. I'm about to take off from the gas station and like a dude come in that bitch and he like damn near front swipe me with like the tail end of his car trying to pull into the gas pump in front of my car. Like, bro, it is not that crucial. And then because he came in there all aggressive like that, I'm like, forget this. Let me get up out of here, bro. I'm trying to skirt off. I'm not trying to be around this dude. There's clearly something wrong going on with this dude as far as like his driving capabilities. I'm not trying to be around drivers like him, and I'm sure y'all would have felt the same exact way. But man, I go to take off, bro. This fool start reversing his car. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? And his car already got damage in the back, so if somebody do like accidentally tap the back of his car, tap his bumper or something like that, his car probably don't even have insurance on it. He not gonna be tripping, but hey, if your car got more value than his car, bro, he gonna be cool with it. He gonna be cool with it. It's crazy that it's a lot of people out here like that, man. Like, come on now. Like, y'all can't be out here driving like all reckless. Like this Tesla, I could have been one around him if I wanted to. But I mean, he being a normal, responsible driver, so I'm cooling. I got no issue riding behind you, Mr. Tesla. But yeah, man, people just they be doing their own thing, living in their own world, in their own little bubble. It's cool. I mean, cause like, that's part of driving. It's 6 billion people on this earth. A lot of people are not going to be good drivers. It's going to be a lot of bad drivers. More times than not, I'm sure there's more good drivers on the road, but like them bad ones, the few bad apples, you got to watch out for those. So I mean, I ain't really like. So I'll be on high alert, because I ain't got time to be dealing with nobody that's trying to like make me hit they dumb ass. Like, I ain't got time for that. But y'all just listen to it. Just listen. I'll get y'all a little bit of speed. It's a little windy. That V8 rumble, bro. But I mean, shoot. This it's a lot of things I'm gonna do to this Charger. I'm really about to plastic dip my wheels tonight. I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. It's gonna be pretty simple. I went into my car to get washed earlier today, so I mean all the dirt and stuff is pretty much off the rims and stuff. I'm gonna wipe them down with alcohol, and then I'm gonna get the brake calipers covered up and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna get to spraying, bro. And it's probably gonna take me like an hour and 15 minutes. I got a good football game I'm gonna watch tonight. I'm gonna go get me a workout in once I get home, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. We just cruising, man. These long roads like this right here. If you want to cut up, bro, you could cut up. If y'all want to see some cut up videos, comment down below. Whenever I do make the cut up videos, it's not gonna be nothing ridiculous, nothing crazy, bro. Like, I'm not gonna be going freaking. I'm not gonna be trying to be no dang speed racer while I'm doing. I'm gonna just be cruising and doing my thing. I mean, that's really all there is to it. Don't gotta do nothing crazy, bro. Like this person here, like they risking it, bro. You risking it. You see it's a lot of people back there, but yet you still trying to like, come on, dog, just be patient. Or just turn right, bro, make a U-E. Like, you still sitting back there, bro. But the speed limit is 60. I'm really going slow. While we braking. Someone on the bike. Stay over there, Camaro. Ma'am. No, I'm playing. People like they gotta get where they gotta get to the way that they gotta get there, bro. Like, there's somebody on a bike. They probably just like biking, bro. Ain't nothing wrong with riding a bike. Good exercise. So I'm about to go get me some exercise. But yeah, man, I've definitely been enjoying the Charger POVs, or like the Charger making the POVs. It's fun, bro. If you got you a Dodge Charger and you not making POVs, bro, I don't know what you doing, bro. Or I mean, if you simply don't have the passion to create content and stuff like that, like, of course, yeah, don't do it. But if you got a passion for content creating, and if you feel like you could build an audience, if you feel like you can make informative videos, entertaining videos, educational videos, if you feel like you can make an impact on people looking to buy the Dodge Charger or anything like that, drop your videos, bro. The people that been subscribing, my new subscribers, I really appreciate